Hey everyone, my name is Jeremiah Natur, and today I'll be introducing to you about our MATLAB simulation or code. So we're here to verify the manual calculations from our feedback control system activity. We're working on a second order system where the variables are determined by a specific birth date, which is my birthday, May 31, 2004. Which is ang M, kaya 5, ang date is 31, and our year is 4. So in part A, from transfer function to state space, first we define our transfer function g of s. So in the numerator, natay 36. Dayon, it comes from mod plus date. Ang denominator na to is s squared plus 35s plus 9 delivered from the coefficients, which is ang d plus y and m plus y, which is date plus year and month plus year. In the code, we use the tf2ss command, which is transfer function to state space. This automatically generates the A, B, C, and D matrices that we previously solved for manually. So sa itong part B, state space to transfer function. Mano siya ang pag-perform na to sa reverse process, which is manually. Now it refers to the finding, the determinant, and the inverse adjoint of s times I minus a. So in MATLAB, we use the sidebalik ss to tf command. Dayon, atong matrices like A, which is ang 0 at bangan sa 1, ang sabi niya is negative 9, negative 35, and convert na side to original numerator and denominator coefficients. In conclusion, by comparing the MATLAB output to our paper solutions, is dito man siya gikuha nato sa itong assignment, we see the results that are identical. So, na-confirm na to na atong pag-code din is sakto sa ito ang derivation sa state space representation. Thank you. How to use the MATLAB to automate the manual calculations we did for our feedback control system activity. We are looking at a second order system based on specific birthday values, which is my birthday. Atong gibutang diha sa month is 5, then the date is 31, and the year is 4, just 2004. So in part A, sa atong transfer function, which is g of s, we will calculate manually as 36 over s squared plus 35s plus 9. So in MATLAB, we define the numerator as 36 and the denominator as a vector of coefficients 1, 35, and 9. So sa part A, atong use ang command nga tfss or transfer functions to state space. Now this automatically generates the system matrix, which is ang A, and the input matrix, which is the B, the output matrix, which is the C, and the feed-through matrix, which is the D. Now this replaces the manual step of identifying A sub 1, A sub 0, and B sub 0 to fill the matrix templates. Meaning, replace na siya na parang set na ito maayo. Sa atong part B, which is state space back to transfer function, we do the reverse. We take the matrices we found sa A, sa B, sa C, and sa D, o that will convert back to a transfer function. Now, anhi, we manually siya ang ato ang pag-solve dapat, which is ang C is times sa Si minus A to the power of negative 1 times B plus D. This involves the finding and the determinant and the inverse adjoint matrix. So, muna itong gibuhat karon ang A manual, B manual, C manual, D manual. So, in MATLAB, we simply use balik na sad to ss2tf command. No? Finally, the transfer function command formats our result into a clean fraction so we can verify it matches our original G of S. So in conclusion, by running this code, we can verify that our manual math is correct and quickly analyze how the system behaves. So kita to diha, ang atuang code is sakto.